Hi TK. Today we're going to learn a new concept. We're going to learn how to identify or say the first sound of a word. Okay? So, when you get to kindergarten, you're going to hear some pretty silly words, and your teacher's going to say, "Okay, I'm going to tell you some words and you need to tell me the first sound." So I'm going to help you. We're going to start right now. So let's see how many words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words. And each of these 9 words have a beginning sound. And I will underline the beginning sound. And we're not going to say the rest of the word. So different from anything else we've done, but I think it's good practice. You ready? The first word we're going to look at is car. The first sound in car is k. Car. K. Okay, let's go over to dog. Now make sure you say it with me. Dog. The first sound in dog is d. D. Dog. How'd you do? Good. Let's go to hat. The first sound in hat is h. The first sound in hat is h. Let's go down to the next row. The word is boy. The first sound in boy is b. B. The first sound in boy is b. Good job. Let's go to the next word. Oh, it's what I wish I could swim in right now. The first sound in pool is p. P. The first sound in pool is p. Now, remember, when we say the P sound, pretend you have a feather on your lips and you're pushing out a puff of air. We should not hear puh like you have an A with your P. Just puff the feather off of your lips. Okay, next word. The first sound in top is t. T. The first sound in top is t. Good. Let's go down to the bottom row. The first sound in house is h. H. The first sound in house is h. Next one. The first sound in girl is g. G. The first sound in girl is g. Okay, last one. And this is where I know you want to go play at. The first sound in park is p. P. The first sound in park is p. How'd you do? Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to find your favorite 3 words where you can figure out the first sound of the word. It doesn't need to be mine, the words I have written here. It could be any 3 words you can think of. Can you write them down? And can you sound out only the first sound? You can have mom and dad take a little video of you, or you can just write it down, and well, that would be good. So I hope you enjoyed this. See you soon. Bye, guys.